Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today's recipe is strawberry panna cotta without gelatin, or you can call it as strawberry pudding. Hope you all like this recipe. So let's cook. Take 4 grams of chinagrass, or you can call it as agar too. In each bowl, add some water and soak it for few minutes. Take 250 grams of strawberries. In a vessel, add 1½ cup of water and strawberries and 1/4 cup of sugar. Boil it for 10 minutes. Then take chinagrass and add it. Boil it till the chinagrass get dissolved. As you seen, chinagrass is completely dissolved. Turn up the flame and now blend it. Here I am using hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use it in a mixer grinder too. Now place the glass on a cupcake pan at an angle and fill the cup almost to the edge. Here I am showing you in a pudding type too. Pour it in a glass and keep aside to set. Now in a vessel add 1½ cup of milk, ½ cup of sugar and soak agar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it and cook it till the chinagrass get dissolved. Now the strawberry mixture is completely set. Add milk mixture. Leave it to set. If you want to add third layer, here I am showing how to add. I am using remaining strawberry mixture. It become hot, so microwave it for 30 seconds. As you seen, it get melted. Now add it on the top of the pudding. Leave it to set. Strawberry panna cotta is ready. Do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.